Hello, my name is Kent. I'm with Training Kamp. I'm a certified recreation therapist and a certified personal trainer. I help people reverse illness and injury through movement. If you'd like more ideas about wellness, go to actualwellness.com and subscribe to the channel and get updates. So right now, we're going to warm up, get the blood circulating. There's lots of ways that you can warm up. Right now we're just marching out, getting the blood circulating. Gotta get fresh blood to the joints and muscles. Alright, here's another way you can do it. Stretch here. This is working lots of different areas. Your core, balance, stability, stamina. Yeah, I can feel the burn, which is a good thing because it's working those muscles. Sometimes you got to be uncomfortable to get benefits. So, here we go. Feeling good. This is also working the hips, important for mobility, working the core for stability. All right, feeling good. All right. We're going to use this Theraband. Also, we got the nice sturdy chair. You want to make sure it doesn't have any wheels on it, because if you're feeling tired and worn out, you want to be able to have a seat quickly and not have to worry about your chair moving around on you. And also, we're using Therabands today, so we're going to step on this Theraband and we're going to do squats. This is a great way to add resistance once you start feeling like your body weight's not giving you enough resistance. So we're going to tighten it up on the Theraband, and we're going to squat down. Make sure your weight is through your ankles. Don't let your knees go past your toes. And you're going to push up using the major muscles of your legs, your quads, your hamstrings, your glutes. And you press up just like that. Great addition to your weight training ideas. Excellent. Looking good. Feeling good. I feel the burn. Make sure you listen to your body. If you're feeling sharp shooting pain through your joints or anything, stop. Feeling good. Excellent. I'm going to turn to the side, kind of give you an idea what your posture looks like here. Keep your back straight. You're using your thighs, your glutes to push you on up. This will help you get out of chairs, off the couches, up and down stairs. All right. Next exercise is working your lower back on your hamstrings. So you keep your back straight and your head up. Choke up on your Therabands. You're bending over at your hips, and you're going to come up this way. Extend all the way out. Push your hips all the way through. Get that full range of motion. Coming down here. Push your hips through. Good posture. Helps with walking. As you're going through the grocery store, the more muscle you have, the more stability, more endurance you have. This also helps pick up groceries. Helps you pick up things off the floor a lot easier, picking up your grandkids. Protecting your back. Again, you always want to make sure your abs are nice and tight. That's going to protect your back. Alright, now we're going to do side bends. You want to keep your back nice and straight. And you're going to rock back and forth, left to right. This is working the obliques, your side, your love handles. Again, this is working your core muscles to help you be stable. And you should be feeling a burn right in the side of your abs. Feeling good, feeling strong. All right, now we're gonna go back into the deadlift position. And we're gonna pinch our shoulder blades together, just like this. Again, you choke up on the Theraband, that's gonna give you more resistance. For a beginner, you can let the slack out, and that'll give you less resistance, make it easier for you. And just pull back, pinch your shoulder blades together, keep your elbows kind of close to your side. Don't bring it up like that, but bring your elbows closer to your hips. And pinch your shoulder blades together. Feeling good. Good posture exercise. Helps protect our shoulders. Helps that range of motion. Helps give them strength, so you can do more work around the house, or just makes your job easier. Good. Now we're going to go into curls. Just curl up just like that. This is working those biceps, so we can pick up those groceries, cans of food, anything around the house that needs to be lifted, just like that. Feeling good, feeling good. All right. Now, if you take one foot out, we can work the front part of the shoulder, this shoulder part of the shoulder right here. They're going right out there. Got that heavy can of green beans, one to put on the top shelf. Great exercise to have. I can feel that burn, which is a good thing, because I know that my muscles are getting stronger, having more endurance. Good. So now you can just keep that Theraband underneath that foot and go to the other shoulder. Cross over. Feeling good. Good to know that we're getting stronger to be able to do things around the house a lot easier and have the endurance to be able to do that stuff. Feeling good. All right, excellent. Good job. So now we're going to do what we call a chest press. So you're going to put the Theraband behind your back. You want to put it right underneath your shoulders. Actually, what we're going to do is we're going to put it right underneath your armpits, so that way it doesn't ride up our back and slap us in the back of the head, and it'll bring new meaning to redneck. So here we go. This is working the chest, also the triceps. Everybody's asking, how do you build the triceps? The back of the arm, the bat wing. This is a great exercise. It's working those triceps. This muscle right here, everybody's always asking how to firm those up. Great exercise to do. So you're just going to press out, and this is also working the chest. Feeling good. Yep, feeling the burn, which is good. Another exercise you can do to help strengthen up the triceps. You're going to wrap up the bands where you feel some good tension. You're going to press down. So it looks like this. Keep your tricep, your elbow next to your hip. And you're going to press down just like that. That's working the back of the arm, the tricep, just like that. Shoot for about 12 repetitions on all these exercises. Repetitions is what I'm doing right now, and a group of repetitions is considered a set. So right now we're just doing about a set of 12 right now. When that feels comfortable, do 2 sets. When that feels comfortable, go to 3 sets. That's 3 sets of 12, that's 36. Don't go from 1 to 36. Do a set of 12, take a break, and do another set of 12. Take a break for about 30 seconds to a minute. And I'm not counting, but the idea is there to do about 12 repetitions. A set of 12 We shoot for 3 sets of 12. Let's work in the back of the arm right there, the bat wing. Looking good, feeling the burn. Yeah, that's a good thing. You don't want the sharpshooting pain, so good. Now we're gonna hit the outside of our triceps. I mean, not the triceps, but the deltoid. The deltoid is this muscle right here, holding the shoulder together. So go out here to the side. Want to hit all the different areas of the muscle. Feeling good. All right, now we're going to switch over. Go to the other side. Guys are doing great. Super. Just saying, I'm going to feel so much better when it's all done. Sleep good. Exercise definitely helps with sleeping. I can definitely tell a difference when I don't exercise. I don't sleep as well. It's hard to fall asleep, but when I exercise, I sleep a lot better. So you want to, after you're done weight training, you want to cool off. So we're going to do some light stretches. So you can stretch just like this. Feet shoulders width apart, knees are slightly bent, and just slowly reach for your toes. And this is working those hamstrings and your lower back and your glutes. The glutes are your butt part of your muscles. Reaching for that. If you need to, put your hands on your knees and slowly come up. Good exercise for your back. Put your hands on your knees, and you can slowly feel your stretch in the lower back and kind of feel some of the vertebrae popping. Just kind of let your back arch a little bit, and curl back up, arching your back, and let it lower. Slow, controlled motion. You don't want to do any jerking. That's where you're going to run the risk of getting injured. So you just let your back arch down and raise up, arch up, and slowly let it dip down, and then back up. Good. We're going to pull back on our fingers. Your arm is straight. Feeling good. If your fingers start feeling numb, this is a good exercise to do. This helps relax that tendon running down your arm. Takes that pressure off that nerve. And you're going to do the other side. Feeling good. Good. Another exercise. Put your hands behind your back. And try to raise your hands as high as you can go. That's stretching out your chest. Now you're going to turn your head to the one side, go as far as you can go, stretching out that neck. Great for those car rides where your neck is getting stretched, but don't do it while you're driving though. That could create a problem. Just stretch that, take your head as far back as you can go, and go on the other side. Lay your head to one side. Try to touch your ear to your shoulder. Gonna sleep good tonight. Got my exercise in. Taking that stress off. Helping my body relax. Stretch the other side. Try to touch the ear to the shoulder. Feeling good. Feeling good. Awesome. Nice and warm and fuzzy. Alright, cross the arm over. Reach down your back as far as you can go. Give yourself a good pat. Excellent. And the other side. Good stress reliever. Excellent. Excellent. Good. There's a good stretch to do. Did a lot of extra leg exercises. Hold on to your chair. Stability. This is stretching the front part of your leg. And the other side. You're going to put your chair over here. Reach back. Alright, excellent. Thank you for joining us today. Hope you learned something, and it was a pleasure working out with you, and hope to see you next time.